Central McLennan County in Central Texas, Northeastern Bell County in Central Texas, Limestone County in Central Texas, Southeastern Hill County in Central Texas, Falls County in Central Texas, Southwestern Navarro County in North Central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hubbard to Hallsburg to near Loretta, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
That's a big wind gust
Source,
for me.
radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Hewitt, Robinson, Belmed, Woodway, Mejia, Lacey Lakeview, Marlin, McGregor, Groesbeck, Mark, Beverly Hills, Loretta, Troy, Bruceville, Eddy, Hubbard, Rosebud, Moody, Riesel, and Coolidge. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 308 and 343. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
I don't know if it's doubleheader or not. No doubleheader.